Hello everyone, today we are going to make an interactive download button using the newly integrated Lottie plugin in Adobe XD. Lottie Files integration, you can search from a library of more than 50,000 ready-to-use high-quality animations and use them to your designs. If you haven't installed the plugin, just go to the plugin tab on the left, click the plus icon to add a plugin, search for Lottie Files for Adobe XD and install it. So in this example, I need 3 artboards to be linked in order to achieve the animation series like the example earlier. First artboard with the default state, second artboard will be the downloading state, and the third artboard will be the downloaded state button. So first let's go to artboard 2 and click on the download component. Let's add a new state, and this is going to be our downloading state where the Lottie animation going to be placed. I'm gonna be naming this downloading. Now that we have our downloading state created, let's go ahead and click the button component and let's add the Lottie animation. In this example, I need an animation that shows the user some graphical representation of the file being downloaded. From the result page, I think this one should work. The icon I wanted doesn't match the color palette, so I went to their website to customize it. I downloaded it as JSON file and imported it using the Lottie plugin in XD. Now let's import the Lottie file animation and insert it inside the download component button. Let's arrange it and let's center it inside the container. This part I made a mistake and I added the animation in the default state, so I'm moving it to the downloading state. Now that I selected the downloading state, let's re-import the Lottie file animation. Now that the Lottie file is in place, let's go ahead and click the Lottie file once again inside the component and set it to play automatically. Now that the playback is set, we want this button to show the downloaded state after the animation. To do that, let's go to Prototype tab. Under the Trigger dropdown, let's select End of Playback. Under Type dropdown, let's select Auto Animate. For Destination dropdown, let's select Video Page Downloaded. Now I'm still in prototype mode. Let's go ahead and link the button to the video downloading page. And then test the button. When I click it, it goes to the second artboard, which is the downloading, but the problem is it's not animating. So let's go find out what's wrong with it. Under design mode, let's go ahead and click the Lottie animation. For some reason, the media was set to no playback, so it's not playing at all. So I'm gonna put it back to play automatically. Now let's go ahead and test it again. Let's click on the download button. Now it's animating and it goes to the downloaded page when it's done. I think it's working good. If you find this video very helpful, please hit that like button, and if you want more video like this, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified on my new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one.